Amid the laughter, sun, and play, let learning brighten every day. A page, a problem, get it done, and still have time for all the fun. So, here we are for the summer break of this session, that is 2025 to 26. And the theme for this holiday homework is time travel, India 1950 to 2045. We are targeting for the Viksit Bharat theme, which is given by our Honorable PM Mr. Narendra Modi. So, this is for class 5, and we are going to discuss the EVS subject holiday homework in this video. So, let's discuss the very first question, in which you have to mark your own state in which you live, that is UP, on a political map. And after that, you have to mark all these states which are sharing border with UP. Somewhat like this. I have highlighted this portion, but you have to paste the full map. And then you have to segregate the page into two heads, that is 1950 and 2045. Now you have to write the qualities of those states. जो भी states आपने mark किए हैं, उन सारे states की at least one quality you have to write. You have to divide the page like this, 1950, and then you have to write that how that state was, what was the importance of that state in 1950, and how you see that state in 2045. सो इस तरीके से आपको हर स्टेट के बारे में लिखना है. द स्टेट्स विच आर शेयरिंग द बॉर्डर विथ यूपी. Now coming to the second question, which says that you have to depict how the life of the river has changed over the years 1950, then in 2025, and how will it look in 2045. So you can divide the page horizontally like this and label the years 1950, 2025 and 2045, and then you can show कि 1950 में रिवर कैसी थी, then 2025 में, and at last how you imagine the river will be in 2045. If that picture is not clear, you can even divide your page like this. जिस भी तरीके से आपका पिक्चर अच्छे से डिपिक्ट हो पाए, चाहे वर्टिकली चाहे हॉरिजॉन्टली, totally depends on you children. I have shown you both the ways how to divide the page and then draw the picture of a river and nearby things. The third question is you have to create a travel suitcase. कि बढ़ते हुए टाइम के साथ किस तरीके से हमारे ज़रूरत के सामान चेंज होते आए हैं. लाइक 1950 में अगर हम ट्रैवल करते वक्त मैगज़ीन या रेडियो लेते थे, तो उसी जगह पे 2025 में अब हम मोबाइल ही लेके चलते हैं. एंड गॉड नोज व्हाट वी विल टेक इन 2045. सो लाइक दिस you have to make 3 suitcases, mention the year, draw the things which you used in that time. So आपका suitcase का size थोड़ा बड़ा होगा. Maybe you can draw any other suitcase of your choice, or maybe you can draw one suitcase on one page. But yes, you have to mention the year and all the things which you keep in the suitcase while traveling in that time. Okay, so stay tuned to my channel for other holiday homeworks also, for other subjects also. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.